Hello friends, welcome back to Neema's kitchen. Today, let's make a chocolate sheera. This Indian dessert is a welcome treat for all ages. If you like my video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Let's check out the ingredients for our chocolate sheera. Sugar 6 to 8 tablespoons or as per your sweetness. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Fresh milk 1 cup. Semolina 1 cup. Chocolate cubes or chocolate chips half cup. Water 3/4 cup. Chopped and roasted cashews and almonds 1/4 cup. Vanilla essence half tablespoon. Ghee 2 + 1 tablespoon. Heat a pan and let's add cocoa powder. Then drop some milk and mix well so that there is no lumps. Further, add whole content of the milk and bring to a boil. It's boiling. Now let's add in our chocolate pieces. Mix well on a low flame. Keep on stirring so that it doesn't form any lumps. Now let's add in a 1/4 cup of water. I'm increasing the flame and let's bring this also to a boil. It's boiling. Now let's turn off the flame and keep this aside. Now to a fresh pan, let's add in our ghee. And then drop in our semolina. And let's roast it 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to bring the flame to low. It has been roasted very well. Now let's drop in our vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. And then drop in our sugar. Mix it again. And then goes in our chocolate mixture. I'm just straining it. You have to keep on stirring like this till all the water dries off. And remember, the flame should be very low. Mixture should be in this consistency. And this is the time to drop in a 1 tablespoon of ghee and our cashews and almonds and mix it again. And your sheera is now ready to plate. I hope you will try this out. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.